Why does your scanner show the P26AD engine code? What does it mean? P26AD is a diagnostic trouble code for engine coolant bypass valve B, control circuit low. The P26AD engine code for indicate your vehicle's engine computer has detected a low electrical voltage or a short in the circuit operating the coolant bypass valve, often the valve used to control coolant flow to the transmission or engine. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Defective coolant bypass valve. Coolant leaks into the sensor. Damaged or corroded wiring. Poor electrical connections. Blown fuses or loss of power. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Toyota and Audi. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.